Discover the ultimate PC building experience with the power-packed combination of cutting-edge hardware. Introducing the Dream Build that combines unrivaled performance with breathtaking aesthetics. At the heart of this powerhouse lies the Asus ROG Z790 motherboard. Crafted with precision and innovation, this motherboard is designed to handle the most demanding tasks, providing unparalleled stability and overclocking capabilities. Paired with the motherboard is the Intel Core i9 processor, a true marvel of technology. Its lightning-fast speeds and multiple cores, it delivers uncompromising performance for gaming, content creation, and everything in between. Storage limitations are a thing of the past with the massive 2TB SSD installed. Experience lightning-fast boot times, quick file transfers, and ample space to store all your valuable data and media. Your creativity, dominate the gaming world